Welcome guys, today I am with the SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in the smartphone. So first, to open the pro mode we have to tap on this button right here in the left upper corner, and we can simply switch between these 4 modes. So you can pick one of them, and that's how the theme looks of each mode. For example, we can get this one. So we'll manually control the shutter speed to change how to capture moving objects. Okay, and right here we can control the shutter like in the description. So the maximum time is 30 seconds. So that's how we can adjust the shutter. Right here we got autofocus. In this place we can also enable the drive mode and set it up. Right here we got the focus mode, another one. Here we got the focus arena between wide on center. We got exposure compensation. We can set it up between plus and -2. Let's change the shutter speed, it's too bright. That's matching mode. We can also enable the flashlight. That's also the white balance. For example, we got few presets. Of course, if you want to get automatic, just pick this one, the first one right here. That's the focus on eyes. Take a look on this picture right here when I'm gonna turn it on. As you can see, it detects face in our table in front of us. Right here we can change the photo format, aspect ratio, and right here we can enable the HDR or turn it off. You can also lock this panel, so you will be not able to change anything while taking photos, for example. And also right here we are able to use zoom and switch lenses by tapping on these buttons. And here in this place you will also find the parameters. As you can see, when I change the exposure compensation, there will be also change on this icons on this control information panel. Okay, so that's how the camera pro mode looks in the SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. As you can see, that's a lot of different options we can set up. It's probably the most advanced pro mode that you can find in any other smartphone. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.